Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you Samsung Galaxy A25 hidden features you might miss. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my settings application where I want to show you a hidden feature. Okay, and here we need to go to the display setting, and I'm going to show you a feature called Edge Panel. Okay, you can scroll down on the display menu, and then you can activate the Edge Panel feature. Okay, and I'm going to show you how the Edge Panels looks like. So if you want to access the Edge Panel, you can just swipe left your screen like this on this part. Okay, and then all the important applications you have set will appear quickly. Okay, it will be very useful if you want to get quick access to some important applications on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And actually, we can customize the Edge panel. You can tap on the Edge panel here, and then you can choose the panel you want to display. Okay, these are for the panels. You can choose apps, weather, people, smart select, or task, or tools, music, reminder, or clipboard. It's up to you guys. You can choose the panels that will be useful for you. And for me, I'm just going to choose apps, and also wait, let me choose reminder. Okay, and we can go back, and then we can customize the handle as well. You can choose the color. Let me color it green so it can be clearer. Okay, oops, I think green is not good because my theme is purple base. Okay, I'm just going to choose purple, and then I'm going to increase the transparency. No, I'm going to decrease the transparency, and we can customize the size as well, and also the width. Okay, and all right, I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to swipe the Edge panel. If we want to move to another panel, we just need to swipe left or swipe right. Okay, and then the second one, guys, I'm going to show you a feature called Assistant Menu. Still in the setting, you can go to the accessibility right here, and then you're going to go to interaction and dexterity and activate this assistant menu. So this is how the assistant menu looks like. By activating this assistant menu, you will be able to get quick access as well to some important feature such as brightness, power off menu, screenshot, cursor. You will be able to get cursor using the assistant menu. Okay guys, and those are the hidden features you might miss in your Samsung Galaxy A25. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.